everybody, welcome back to Polymer Clay by Deb. I'm Deb. I'm here with Crazy Felix, and he's wearing his cute little green t-shirt today. Anyway, it is Winter Wednesday, and we are going to be giving away this bunny jar. But before we do, I wanted to share a couple things with you. First off, we are still waiting for Huggy12 to claim this jelly bean jar. I have not heard from her, so we don't know where to send it. So Huggy12, if you are out there, let us know where to send your gift. And then, all right, Felix, let's show them your cute little shirt. There it is, alligators, huh? All right, anyway, I wanted to share this beautiful card that I received from Sherry Berry, who was the winner of the Petey Penguin. It says, "Warm wishes from Alaska." Thank you so much, Deb. XOXO Sherry. But it is a beautiful card, and it looks like she handmade it. I don't know for sure, but it is really pretty. And she sent me a nice little thank you note. And she also sent some money in there for postage. And when I tried to send it back, she told me to just give Felix the money for treats. So that's what we're going to do. He's going to get a lot of treats with the postage money. But that wasn't necessary, Sherry, and I really do appreciate the card and the note. It was really sweet. So I know you are patiently waiting to see who won the bunny jar. We had a lot of comments, a lot of great comments from a lot of people. Everybody wanted to win the jar, and the winner is Marie O'Connor. Congratulations, you are the winner. Send me a message as to where you want this shipped, and we will ship it out to you. We will be doing these giveaways at least once a month, sometimes once a week, so be sure you're subscribed to our channel so you're notified of our next giveaway. So until then, like, favorite, subscribe so that you're notified of our tutorials and our tips and other things that we're doing. And until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye now.